Hi everyone, this is Sagar and today I have brought a new lesson for you which is about in addition to. Using this in your writing can be very much good to hit good band scores. So do you know first of all when we use in addition to? This can help you to replace and. I have already made some sentences with and I'm going to tell you that how I am going to replace them with in addition to and how fancy or attractive my sentence would look like. So government should raise the taxes on smoking products and it must restrict the age to buy them. If you want now to use in addition to in this sentence, you should add in addition to in the beginning. Whenever you add in addition to, you always have to add here ing verb. For example, here I am writing, I have to start basically from here when I am using in addition to, because this is my verb and I am changing this verb into ing verb. In addition to rising, further sentence will go the same. In addition to rising the taxes, and we can add here a comma. In addition to rising the taxes on smoking products, now we will add our subject, government. You can use any of the modal verbs, should or must. I'm using here must. Government must. After this, add this sentence here. So here is my sentence with in addition to. In addition to rising the taxes on smoking products, comma, government must restrict the age to buy them. So which one do you like? This one or this one? Very easy it is. Just simply add your in addition to first, then you need to add first sentence, okay, from where the verb starts, because here we have to add first form of verb ing. After that the sentence will remain the same. As you know, this is an object, so my object is exactly the same here as well, right? After this I chose my subject here, government. This is your second step, and then add should or must. They both have the same meaning because they are modal verbs. I added here must, then after you can simply add the another sentence which is in after and, restrict the age to buy them. So here is your sentence with in addition to. I have one more sentence. Can you try to change this with in addition to? You have 1 minute to do this. Kindly pause the video here and let me know when you are ready. So let me do it for you here as well. First, again the same step. In addition to. Next, our first step is verb. So here is our verb. So we have to turn it into ing. In addition to making. Next, we have to add here comma as we did here, comma. Then after, there is no modal verb, so we can write first our subject like second step. Our subject here is students. Students, as in my second step, I added here. Then I have here my verb write. Students write. So this is how we are changing again the same sentence with the help of in addition to. Students make grammatical mistakes and they write off topic in their IELTS exams. Here we are using and we are adding they right? But in this we don't need to use the pronoun. We can just simply go with one subject and make a wonderful sentence. Now we will go for one more connector. So here is our another connector. Not only dash but also dash. Do you know when we use this? The answer is going to be same. We again replace and with the help of this connector as we did with in addition to. As I said, the same sentence, as there is a sentence, students make several grammatical errors and they write off topic in the IELTS exam. So how can I pass the same information with the same connector? Can you try? If you know how to do it, kindly send the answer in the comment box, pause the video for 1 minute and then share it. Now let me try it for you. So first we can use our subject, that is students. Okay, then immediately you need to add not only. Students not only make several means many grammatical mistakes but also now we have to avoid the pronoun they and start with the verb. Write off topic. As you can see, the sentence is exactly the same, but we are just avoiding they and instead of and we are using but. Write off topic in the IELTS exam. So here is our sentence. First, subject students, as we have in our first sentence. After this, add not only, your verb make. From here to here, right? After this you have added but, as we have but also, then after from here to here your sentence is going to be the same. Write off topic in the IELTS exam. So this is how we can use not only dash but also dash. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, kindly subscribe the channel, the next step for you, and hit the bell icon.